Hello everyone and welcome back to our Posworx training. Today I'm going to talk to you about user targets. User targets are set for individual sales employees to track daily actual sales versus targets set. These targets can be viewed on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. Note, the targets set can be adjusted at any given time. I'm now going to show you how to set user targets. On the home screen, click on Management, Users, select User, click on Targets, select the drop-down to select a store, click on the calendar to select the dates, click on Create, click on Target Amount and enter the targets. Click on Load, and as you see, the targets have been loaded. Close on the bottom. I'm now going to show you how to edit the targets. Select the user, click on Targets, select the store, click on the target amount and edit target. Click Close. And that is how you would create user targets and edit the targets. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.